It's Sam, and if you blinked this year, you might have missed something big. Video marketing in 2025? It's not about being fast, it's about being smart and just a little weird. Let's talk shifts. 3 things changed, and they're changing everything. In 2023, shorts were everything. In 2025, they're just your hello. If your content ends at 59 seconds, so does your audience. Shorts get the eyeballs, long form gets the loyalty. Everyone's using AI, but not everyone sounds like themselves. If you're not showing up with a voice, you're just noise. In 2025, real hits different. Your voice is your algorithm. Creators who show up once a week with intention, they win. Creators chasing trends daily, they burn out before their first 100 subs. Post less, think more. That's the sloth way. Video marketing in 2025 moves fast, but that doesn't mean you have to. Slow down, say something worth watching, then say it again. If you liked this, and you're into growing smart, not fast, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be here every week. Slow as ever, sharp as always. This is Sam the Slowcaster. Slow down, learn smart, stay ahead.